lifestylers, and welcome back to Lifestyle with LaToshia. Today we're going to be doing our back patio that's enclosed, and boy, I'm telling you, I'm so excited because we are in the midst of spring. And even though our weather in Georgia has not been kind, we are still full of pollen. We are going from 80 degrees down to 50 degrees to 40 to 30. Then we're back at 70. Then we're down to 60. It's a complete mess. So we've got pollination out of this world. But if you're interested in seeing this type of content, hit that like button and let me know that you're interested. And if this is your first time, I want to say thank you for joining me today as I redo our back patio, get it ready for spring, spruce it up, make it all pretty and cozy and festive. I love this time of year and I'm so ready to enjoy it. So the first area that I'm going to start setting up is going to be this little coffee table that I have. I'm just going to bring some of the magazines that I have around the house outside, just so if we want to, take the time to read some material, we can do so. So for this space, I'm going to keep it really simple. I'm going to bring out some Real Touch florals that I got from Amazon with some eggs. And I'm going to bring out a photo of my husband and I, and we're going to keep it really simple in this space. Let's move right along to the coffee table. So here is a vase that I was able to find on Facebook Marketplace. I told you guys I love Facebook Marketplace. So this lady actually had about 17 vases that she sold for 20 bucks, and they were all different sizes. This is a little piece that I got from Big Lots, and I'm just going to put it in as a little accessory on the table. Those floral picks, I actually got those from Amazon, and I love the color that they're bringing out here. So this little piece, I actually did a DIY, and later on I'm going to do another video showing some of the DIYs that I've done. That little orb was actually red, and I painted it yellow because I wanted to use it out here on the patio. This is the little beads that I'm going to use out here just as a little accent. I think I got those from Amazon with the little book set a couple of years ago. And then this little candle is some that I got from Target from the Wonder Shop a few years back, and I just used them all around the house. Now, these were from Lowe's, these Boston ferns, and they were on sale, 2 for $20, and they are huge. So I was able to get 4 of them. I'm going to have 2 back here on the patio. This is the second one. And then the other 2, I'm going to put them on my front porch when I do my entryway. These are some pillows that I had, and I added some new pillow covers. These blue ones in gray and gold, I got them from Shein. This lumbar pillow I was able to get from Big Lots, I want to say 2 years ago. This pillowcase I actually got from Amazon, and they came in a set of 4. And I'm going to utilize 2 out here on this patio. This is the other one that I got from Shein, and I'm so glad because if you can see it, it has the gray, which matches the cushions perfectly. And then this is the other one that I got in the pack of 4 from Amazon, and I will link the ones from Amazon down below. So now I'm going to go back to the coffee table. And this is a little basket that I got from Ross or either Marshall's, I want to say earlier in the winter of 2024. So here I'm bringing in a picture that I got from Home Goods maybe 2 years ago, and it actually comes with the glasses, and I thought this was really pretty and festive and brought in some of that beautiful color just in time for spring and for Easter. Gonna put out some mandarin oranges, honestly, just as a little snack for us, but I also love the pop of color on that. So now as the sun is starting to set, I'm gonna go ahead and light the candles just to create a nice ambiance and mood on the patio. And I just love the way that it bounces off and reflects the colors from the yellows and the pinks and the whites. It's just really pretty. It's just starting to get the mood that I'm looking for. And this is the other candle that I'm setting back the end table. Doesn't that look so pretty? Oh, I love it. And the weather, you guys, is perfect today. So here we go. This is the after reveal for the patio. And I'm going to be honest, there's a few more things that we're going to be doing back here on the patio just to make it even more cozy. And I can't wait for you to see it. But right now, I got to tell you guys, I am loving the way that this looks. I'm loving the feel that it gives us when we're out here and able to just sit and talk and kind of escape away from all the daily, things that are happening and just take a moment to just enjoy each other's company. I hope that you're enjoying it. Please let me know what your thoughts are down in the comments below. All right, guys, now we're moving into the next transition, which is going to be into the dining room. So today, what you're going to see me do is we're going to create a dining space just in time for Easter for some family and friends that are going to be coming over. And so I'm going to start out with garland and some stems that I have. I'm going to combine them together really quickly and put them in the center of the table. I really love the beauty of these two, and I think they give the table a beautiful pop of greenery just for the perfect table setting. Now I'm going to bring in a couple of bunnies that I got from Home Goods, and I absolutely love these. And then I'm going to bring in some crystal candle holders just to put on the center of the table. But I'm going to do something a little bit different with them. Instead of putting candles, as I normally would do on this channel, I am going to add in some eggs. So I've got these frosted flocked eggs from Walmart, and I'm actually going to put them in the candle holder. Okay, here I've got some larger eggs that I also got from Walmart, and I thought they would be perfect to add into the center of the table in this table setting. And I'm just going to prop those in there, and then I'm going to put down some burlap placemats, and I'm going to put them all around the table. I got these from Home Goods. I'm sorry, not Home Goods, Hobby Lobby, quite a few years ago, and they have these all the time. This is like a staple. We're going to go with some gold chargers, and we're going to put them all around. And then the next thing that I'm going to do, you've seen these. If you've seen my spring video, these are the exact same plates that I actually use for that table setting as well. So I'm going to put them down because I love the gold and white color. And now I'm going to show you an example of how to fold the napkin choice that I use on this Tablescape. The one that I really love, and what I really love about it, is that it's really a pretty, and it's simple, guys. If you could see, you just fold it in half, and then you fold and tuck. And now you flip it over, and the great thing about this is that it makes it to the point where your silverware can actually be held in the napkin. And it's just a little bit of a different look. And I love the fact that I'm using this teal, and here I'm using some carrots, some wooden carrots, just as some decor on the actual place setting. My stemware is going to be my teal glasses. I put those down, and then I had more of these larger eggs, and I'm actually just going to hang them on the back of the table just to give a little pop of color and a little bit of interest. Now here I'm moving on to the buffet, gonna clean it up really well, get it shining just like the table, and I'm gonna bring in one of my favorites. This is my gather sign. You've seen it before if you've been on this channel. And then I'm gonna utilize that exact same floral bouquet that I put out on the patio for spring and Easter. I'm gonna utilize it to mimic in the dining room just to create a cohesive look. And the great thing about these stems, guys, they're called Soft Real Touch Floral. They are amazing, and they're from Amazon, so I'll link them down below. And just as you saw out on the patio, I'm going to take some faux eggs, and I'm actually going to put them in the bottom of the jar just to create some interest and to bring in that Easter feel. So guys, as I'm doing this, just keep in mind that anything that I've utilized in this video that I've recently purchased or that is still available, I will link those items down below. I hope that you're enjoying what you're seeing so far and how we're decorating our home our patio just in time for spring and for Easter, and the formal dining room as we get ready for some friends to come over on Easter Sunday to enjoy our holiday with us. Of course, if this is the type of videos that you're interested in, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as always, leave your comments below, and most importantly, share them with a friend. The last item that I'm going to add on this buffet is going to be this large bunny that I got last year. And as you can see, he is adorable. And I just got some of those extra large eggs and I put them in place with him just to finish out the look. Well, Lifestylers, I want to thank you for taking the time to stop by Lifestyle with LaToshia and being with me as I do my Easter tablescape. So as we are getting ready to entertain our guests for dinner, I want to say thank you. I hope that you and your family had an amazing Easter and that you were able to create some amazing memories. So once again, thank you for stopping by Lifestyle with LaToshia. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and let me know that you're wanting to be a part of all that we have going on. And for the ones who already have, thank you. I really appreciate you. And for all the kind comments, it does me wonders. In the meantime, take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Happy Easter.